Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video we will learn how to use let function in Excel. So by using let function I am going to calculate net salary of Rahul. Okay, this is the basic salary of Rahul. As you know, HRA rate is 20% of basic salary, PF rate is 12% of basic salary, and tax rate is 10% of gross salary. So by using the let function or let formula, I am going to find out what is the net salary of Rahul. So you have to just click on the cell where you want to calculate. Okay, so I am going to just calculate this net salary here. Okay, equals to, now type let, now bracket open. Now here it will ask for name. Okay, ask for name 1. Okay, so we have to select, we have to type basic. Now the value basic salary is 50,000, so you have to select the cell. Then HRA rate, okay, now value will be 20% of basic salary. Then PF rate. So what is PF rate of, comma 12%. Then again comma tax rate. Tax rate is 10%. Now we will find HRA. So what is HRA? HRA comma HRA is basic salary into HRA rate. HRA is basic salary into HRA rate. So basic into HRA rate. Now we will find PF. So what will be the PF? First we will type PF, then PF rate into basic. Okay, or basic into PF. Now we'll find gross salary, because first we will find gross salary, then we can calculate tax. Okay, so gross salary is equal to, you have to put comma here, comma basic plus HRA. Okay, now we will calculate tax. Tax comma, so what is the tax? Tax is gross into tax rate. Okay, then net. Now we will use net. Okay, so what will be the net? Net will be, what will be the net? Net will be gross salary minus PF minus tax. Okay, now what will we want to find? So we want to find net, bracket close. So you will see 48,000 is gross salary of Rahul. So like this you can use let function to calculate net salary. Okay, so if you like this video, please like my video and also subscribe my channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.